Plug in the power plug every time before you use. Option 1. Press the on key with the controller without timing mode. Leaving the antivirus space and wait for 30 seconds. Option 2. Press the on key first, then select different time mode as you need. All people and animals must leave the antivirus space during the disinfection. The lamp will automatically light up after people leave the room in 30 seconds. Do not look directly at the light source. Use the UV protection goggles if need. The lamp will automatically off when people get into the antivirus space.